Hey guys, this is Bruce from ConvoCourses. I'm doing another remote video where I'm talking about remote work here, actually in Big Island, Hawaii right now. And I'm on vacation, but able to log into my work here from working anywhere I want. Actually, it's actually pretty cool. Get a lot of questions about how to actually get this kind of work, how to find this kind of work. And what I can do is tell you how I've been able to do it. And information technology allows us to actually work from almost anywhere. The thing I would say is, before you actually do this with an organization, just make sure that they have a policy where you can work from anywhere, because some organizations don't allow that. Some of them make it so that you're supposed to work from that state or from that country, from a specific place, and you've got to look at the policies of the company to make sure that see what's going on. In some cases though, they're really cool about it and they don't care where you work as long as you get the work done. So first of all, how do you find these positions? Now, I do have a course about this, breaks it all down for you, how I've been able to get remote jobs for the last 5-6 years, but I can tell you real quick how, in a nutshell, how you can do to get started. Number one, it's in your resume. All right, so when you do your resume, make sure that your resume is specifically talking about remote work. Right in the top, you want to put something like asterisk remote work, right? Prefer remote work. Ask for it right up front. Another thing is, along with putting it in your resume, is look for the jobs on LinkedIn, Dice.com, Monster.com. Any of the job aggregators will help you out, and look specifically for remote work on those sites. If you do those two things, you're lining yourself up with jobs that allow you to work in places like this. Now, that's not the only thing you need to do. So you've got it on your resume. You've looked up these jobs on LinkedIn, on Dice.com and Monster and all the other job aggregators. The next thing you want to do is, when you do the interview, when you're actually talking to the employer, if you get that far, is you want to ask them if you can do remote work and what's the extent of the remote work. Can you work from anywhere? How much travel is it? Because a lot of times they say it's remote work, but they require a whole bunch of travel. So you got to actually see what job entails. How much remote work is it? Do they have it to where you have to actually appear from time to time at the job site? Like, let's say it's in Baltimore, right? So they might say, yeah, it's remote work, but you have to stay in Massachusetts, you have to stay in the state, and you have to actually go to the office once a week or twice a week, or to do certain things. So those are the things that you want to ask and specify, you know, when you want to really nail that down when you have the interview. So those are the things that I have done to get really good remote work, and has allowed me to work in places like this. You've seen other ones where I was in Oahu. You've seen other ones where I was in, I don't know, I think I did one in Texas. I did one in different parts of Colorado. And all of that is because I fully work from home, and I've been doing it for many, many years. And you can do the same thing if you follow those tips. All right, talk to you guys on the next one.